In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make creeper fireworks in Minecraft 26.1.2 Updated 2026 Guide. To make a creeper firework in Minecraft, you will first need to gather the correct materials. Get 1 gunpowder, 1 creeper head, or any mob head, 1 dye, 1 paper, and an extra 1 to 3 gunpowder for the rocket itself. The dye can be any color you want, and that color will affect the look of the firework explosion. If you want to add extra effects, you can also prepare a diamond for a trail effect or glowstone dust for a twinkle effect. Once you have all of your materials ready, open a crafting table. You will use it first to make the firework star. The firework star is what determines the explosion shape and its visual effect. To craft the creeper-shaped firework star, place 1 gunpowder, 1 creeper head or mob head, and 1 dye into the crafting grid. When crafted correctly, this will create a firework star with a creeper-shaped explosion pattern. If you want to improve the appearance of the firework, you can add optional materials during this part of the recipe. Adding a diamond will give the firework a trail effect. Adding glowstone dust will give it a twinkle effect. These are optional, so you can leave them out if you only want the basic creeper-shaped explosion. After the firework star is complete, stay at the crafting table and craft the firework rocket. To do that, combine 1 paper, 1 to 3 gunpowder, and the creeper-shaped firework star. The amount of gunpowder you use here affects how long the rocket flies before it explodes. Using more gunpowder makes it travel higher into the sky before the explosion happens. When the rocket is crafted, move it into your inventory and equip it. Then launch the firework rocket in an open area. Once it goes off, it will create a creeper-shaped explosion in the sky using the color from the dye you selected. If you added optional effects like a trail or twinkle, those will also appear in the final explosion. That is the full process for making creeper fireworks in Minecraft 26.1.2. Gather the materials, craft the creeper-shaped firework star, turn it into a rocket, and then launch it to see the effect. That covers everything you need to know.